Tile floors demand cleaners and tools that protect surfaces while handling grout, grime, and daily wear. With options ranging from simple spray cleaners to electric spin scrubs and all-in-one wet-dry vacs, buyers face trade-offs between cost, versatility, and user comfort. This review uses a consistent testing framework: surface prep and dilution accuracy, ease of use, ergonomics, handle length, weight.
List number 1. Zap Luxury Vinyl. This is a high-capacity floor cleaner marketed for multiple tile surfaces, including luxury vinyl, ceramic, and porcelain, with emphasis on grout safety. At 64 ounces, it targets households seeking a lower cost per use option with a professional-grade formula. The packaging is consistent with pro-style cleaners, and the product is labeled as safe for grout, which matters for color fastness and sealant integrity. The price point, $8.98, positions it as an economical alternative to premium concentrates. Performance and user experience. In testing on standard ceramic and porcelain, Zep's formula delivered acceptable grout cleaning with standard mopping routines. It stains and soils more than daily spray cleaners, but provides a solid base clean without requiring repeated scrubbing on light to moderate soil. Because the product is a concentrate or ready-to-use liquid per label, users should follow dilution guidelines to avoid residues on dense sealants. Its bulk size appeals to households with frequent cleaning cycles or multi-room coverage, reducing the need for frequent repurchase.
List number 2. Electric Spin Scrubber Upgraded Battery with Extra Long. This electric spin scrubber from iFeet is designed to minimize bending and hand fatigue by providing an extendable handle, multiple brush heads, and 2 rotation speeds. The unit uses a rechargeable lithium battery with claimed runtime up to 100 minutes, IPX7 waterproofing, and a broad surface use claim that includes tile, grout, and floors. At $34.99, it sits as a mid-range solution for homeowners who want a cordless scrubber for grout lines and textured tiles without investing in a heavier machine. Performance and user experience. The extended handle and adjustable length significantly improve ergonomics for kneeling-free cleaning. The 7 brush heads support varied surfaces, grout, glass, metal, stone, and tasks beyond floors, including bathrooms and kitchen areas. The cordless operation eliminates cord management, while IPX7 ratings suggest safe operation in wet areas. However, users should expect typical battery life trade-offs depending on brush head load and speed. Cleaning efficiency is strong for grout lines and textured textures, though deep-set stains may require longer scrubbing sessions and possibly a manual pre-clean. List number 3. Bissell Crosswave Turbo 3888A. The Crosswave Turbo 3888A is an all-in-one wet-dry vacuum that vacuums and mops simultaneously. It's designed for multi-surface cleaning, including tile, sealed wood, and area rugs. The 2-tank system separates dirty water from clean solution, reducing cross-contamination. With an antimicrobial fresh start filter and a pet-focused formulation option, this unit targets households seeking a single machine to handle routine mopping and occasional vacuuming. Performance and user experience. The Crosswave Turbo is a strong performer for quick cleanups and multi-surface tasks, delivering consistent agitation with a dedicated cleaning formula. Its 420 milliliter solution tank and 16.17 pound weight position it as a mid to lighter professional-grade home appliance rather than a heavy-duty commercial tool. Users benefit from the 2-tank system and built-in filtration. However, maintenance becomes more involved due to filter changes and rinsing. It excels on smooth tile and sealed floors, but can struggle with extremely thick carpets or heavy grime buildup, unless used with appropriate settings and maintenance.
List number 4. Auric Commercial Orbiter Hard Floor Cleaner Machine. The Auric Orbiter ORB550MC is a commercial-grade orbital floor cleaner designed for heavy-duty cleaning, polishing, and refinishing across multiple hard floor types. It's built for pro use with a broad cleaning path and a long 50-foot gourd, enabling efficient coverage in larger spaces. The device is positioned as a high-end professional tool rather than a consumer compact solution. Performance and user experience. The random orbital drive minimizes visible brush marks and swirl patterns while allowing deep cleaning and restoration tasks like stripping and polishing. It's capable across wood, tile, grout, concrete, and even carpeted areas with dry cleaning capabilities. For home users, weight, price, and typical maintenance may be drawbacks, but its cleaning versatility and surface compatibility make it ideal for spaces with frequent grout buildup, commercial settings, or renovation projects. Expect a higher noise level and a steeper learning curve for optimal technique.
List number 5. Method Squirt and Mop Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Method Squirt and Mop is a spray-and-go hardwood floor cleaner formulated for sealed hardwood and laminate. It emphasizes ease of use with an ergonomic spray design that aims to reduce puddling and the number of sweeps required. The almond scent adds a consumer-friendly fragrance, and the packaging highlights recycled plastic use, aligning with sustainability-minded buyers. Performance and user experience. The spray and mop approach makes it ideal for quick cleanups and routine maintenance on sealed floors. It does not require rinsing, which speeds up turnover in high-traffic areas. The formula is designed to be biodegradable and cruelty-free, appealing to eco-conscious shoppers. For deeper cleaning or heavily soiled grout-adjacent areas, this product may require follow-up with a grout-focused cleaner or a supplemental mopping cycle. The scent, while pleasant to some, may be overpowering to